Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to copy and paste in mobile. Firstly, simply tap and hold on the word in the text you want to copy, like in a web page, email, message, or app. Now highlight handles, like little draggable dots, will appear on each side of the selected word. Now drag the left and right handles to select the full selection of text you want, like word, sentence, or paragraph. Once your text is selected, a small menu will appear above or near the highlighted text. Just tap copy from this menu. Now open the app where you paste the copied text such as messages, WhatsApp, email, notes, etc. Tap and hold in the text field where you want to paste. In the pop-up menu, tap paste and the copied text will now appear in that field. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.